Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, QQQ, fngr, cgra, pegy, ilag, admp, gegi, meta, and msft. But before we get into that, a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. So click the link in the description to sign up for our free alerts. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And when you sign up, you will get our welcome email, which will include a link to download the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. This ebook talks about a lot of the strategy that we talk about in these videos. But guys, I had last night's video was talking about Tuesday's #1 Nasdaq penny stock, and boy, did it deliver big gains for subscribers. If you want the full report, click that link in the description. The stock opened at 269, ran all the way to 330 for 22% gains. But if you read Isaac Acosta, he was able to buy 100 shares at $2.07. So pre-market trading, if you click in the description, there is a link to sign up for Webull. You can get up to 12 free stocks. The way it works is you open an account, deposit any amount, get up to 12 free stocks. And this will allow you to trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. at night. And in the case of yesterday's #1 Nasdaq penny stock, it really paid off being able to trade pre-market. So it's a question of, did you make 22% or as much as 59%? Those are big numbers, and you left a lot of money on the table if you were not able to trade pre-market. But today we're going to be talking about what I like and what I'm looking at tomorrow. First up, SPY and QQQ. SPY, we are holding here at a major trend line right at 357. We need to hold this trend line. If you look at QQQ, it's already broken through support. We have major data coming up. We have inflation data on tomorrow. We're getting PPI data on Thursday, CPI data, and then Friday retail sales. So these reports will make or break the market this week. So it's right now the trend is definitely down, and we'll see if this data can reverse things. Moving on, fngr holding up here, still strong. RSI is here a little bit overbought at 80, but again, there's just a lot of intraday games going on with the shorts and a lot of naked shorting happening. So I think that they're playing the intraday action. You're getting a lot of intraday shorts, and then by the end of the day, they have to come in and cover. So I think that's what they're not able to break it down. So that's why we are holding up well here. CGRA, talked about this one for the past week now. Nice breakout today. Still another green day. We'll be watching to see if there's more continuation in this one. PEGY, this has been the big runner, up 249% over the past 5 trading days. I told everyone that $5 was the key level here. We close right at 5. We are bidding 509 in the after hours. So I think this one can get further, see further action tomorrow with the close today at $5. So that was the key level, and congrats to the bulls for closing it here. I talked about ILAG in last night's video, closed up 10%. Nice day today, another green day in ILG. This one has been green from 250, and even if you were in September, was down around $1.50. So just been a nice, slow, steady climb up here on ILAG. For tomorrow on my watch list is first up is ADMP. Closed up 16%, but all the action is happening in the after hours. After hours, we are bidding 19 cents by 20 after closing at 14 cents. Guys, when you look at after hours pre-market action, it's all about volume. Volume is I don't want to say it's the most important thing, but it's certainly one of the most important indicators. When I am looking at pre-market or after hours volume, I'm looking at the action. I'm looking at the volume. You know, just because something is, say, in the after hours or pre-market up, say, 30%, if there's no volume, it's meaningless. But ADMP had 2.8 million shares volume in the after hours. This is after trading 5.9 million shares during the regular session. So again, almost half of today's volume. So certainly interesting price action here. And the chatter here on stock twits is a lot of people are bullish and excited. Hopefully they will make a major push in ADMP today. Over on the OTC, GEGI, I'm not going to go out on a limb on this one. I will just say that the chart looks interesting. This is a former runner that we here at InsiderFinancial.com nailed 2 times this year for our subscribers. Big correction, typical OTC dilution. They came in and diluted and then dropped it all the way down here to... Looks like found support right at 0.003. We're at 0.0042. A lot of positive chatter on Twitter. Again, people are talking about this one, so put this on your radar. Might make another push. Lastly, guys, I want to talk to you. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I read an interesting article about Meta Facebook, and it's talking about it as being a 10-year hold, very similar to Microsoft from 2011. If you go back and look at the 1-month chart on Microsoft, back in 2011, I mean, you could have bought this one under $30. It ran all the way to, was the high here, the 350. So it was a 10-bagger, you know, over 10 years. And, you know, I'm interested in, you know, for your long-term money, you know, like I have a one-year-old son, I have a newborn, a baby daughter on the way. So it's like I'm looking at where to put some decent amount of money for their long term, for their college education. And the interesting article was about, you know, Meta, and that, you know, it's very, very cheap. It's trading at just 11 times next year's earnings, has a $360 billion market cap, trading here at 128, but it has no debt, $14 in cash per share. So basically you're buying for $114 per share is the value of the business, which include Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. I'm not a big fan of Zuck. You know, I'm not going to get into, and then also into the politics, or, you know, on Facebook, is it toxic? Is it bad? I am not going to get into that, but I will say this, that the business is a cash cow. And very similar to Microsoft back in 2011, people thought Windows was obsolete, but it was a cash cow. And this new CEO of Microsoft, he was able to take that, the business, take that cash, parlay it, grow Azure, the cloud software business. The question is, is Zuck going to be able to pivot, this meta platforms? I'm not into the metaverse. I'm not sure what he's thinking there. If it's going to be a small, if the bet is going to pay out or not. Again, leave your comment below. And please, please, I know some knucklehead is going to come and say something stupid like, dude, don't buy Meta for 10 years. Buy this OTC stock. I'm like, you fucking retard. Please don't give me a migraine when I read that. I'm just going to ban you from the fucking channel if you go and say something that stupid. But I think a lot of people are in agreement there with me. So, all right, guys. Well, nothing special else for subscribers tomorrow. If I see anything in the pre-market, I will send out an alert. So click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups to get all of our alerts for free. Congrats to those that banked on today's penny stock. Congrats. We'll be looking for another play for you guys. I want to wish everyone good luck on Hump Day, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.